Hey there, busy leaders. Did you know that stress levels among leaders are reaching alarming rates, impacting their performance and overall well-being? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Andrew Beaulieu. I am the CEO and founder of Bold Moves Coaching and Consulting based out of Canada. Today, we're diving into stress management techniques specifically tailored for busy leaders to boost your leadership wellness. Stress management is crucial for busy leaders as it directly affects their overall wellness and leadership effectiveness. By taking control of stress, you can enhance your decision-making, productivity, and team morale. Let's explore how you can navigate the challenges of leadership stress. Busy leaders face a myriad of stressors, from high-pressure deadlines to continuous decision-making and work-life balance struggles. Here are some common challenges. 1. High-pressure deadlines. Constantly meeting tight deadlines can create significant stress and burnout. 2. Continuous decision-making. The need to make constant and critical decisions can be mentally exhausting. 3. Work-life balance. Struggles. Balancing professional responsibilities with personal life can lead to overwhelming stress. The demands of leadership can take a toll on your mental and physical health if not managed effectively. It's essential to address these common stressors to thrive in your leadership role. To effectively manage stress, busy leaders can implement various techniques. Here's a 3-step guide to help you get started. 1. Cultivate positive emotion. Leaders should focus on enhancing positive emotions such as joy, gratitude, and optimism. By fostering a positive outlook, leaders can buffer the negative effects of stress and improve their overall well-being. Research suggests practices like gratitude journaling and focusing on personal strengths to build positivity. 2. Build strong relationships. Maintaining supportive and meaningful relationships is essential for stress management. Leaders should prioritize nurturing connections with colleagues, mentors, and family, as strong social networks provide emotional support, reduce feelings of isolation, and help leaders manage stress more effectively. 3. Find meaning and purpose. Research highlights the importance of aligning work with personal values and a sense of purpose. Leaders should engage in activities that provide a sense of meaning, contributing to something larger than themselves. This helps to put stressors into perspective and provides motivation and resilience during challenging times. Here are a few well-known leaders who exemplify the framework presented above, such as Richard Branson, the founder of Virgin Mobile. Mr. Branson is known for his optimistic and adventurous spirit. He cultivates positive emotions by embracing challenges and celebrating successes. Branson also prioritizes relationships with his employees and customers, often highlighting the importance of a supportive and fun company culture. Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft. Mr. Nadella has been instrumental in transforming the company culture towards empathy, collaboration, and innovation. He emphasizes the significance of learning and growth, aligning work with a deeper sense of purpose. His leadership style promotes positive emotions and builds strong relationships within the organization. Jacinda Ardern, former Prime Minister of New Zealand. Ms. Ardern is recognized for her compassionate and empathetic leadership. She fosters positive emotions by demonstrating kindness and understanding, especially during crises. Ardern also emphasizes the importance of community and togetherness, reflecting a commitment to strong relationships and a meaningful approach to governance. In summary, prioritizing stress management is essential for busy leaders to thrive in their roles. By cultivating positive emotions, building strong relationships, and finding meaning and purpose in your work, you can enhance your leadership wellness and overall performance. I encourage you to share your own stress management tips in the comments below and join the conversation on leadership wellness. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content on enhancing your leadership skills and well-being. Together, let's cultivate a community of resilient and thriving leaders. Thanks for watching. Hi everyone, I really hope you enjoyed watching that video. And just want to share that we at Bold Moves Coaching are here for you. Whether you work in the corporate field, whether you're going through a career transition, or whether you're doing some life coaching, we have the framework, the expertise, and the support to help you along your journey. Your potential knows no bounds, and with the right partnership, we can unlock that potential and bring you to the life of your dreams, the life that you designed for yourself. Our leadership wellness and our positive leader program are elite programs that help people live into a more positive lifestyle, really looking at comprehensive wellness and taking care of themselves first. Self-care is the first step to showing up at your best. So visit us at www.boldmovescoaching.ca. Get on my calendar. Let's have a talk. There's no obligations. There's no cost. I just want to hear your story and see if there's a good fit for us to work together or to just be part of each other's journeys. So thank you again for watching the video. Stay tuned. There's going to be plenty more, and we'll talk soon.